Hey guys, it's Araya and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be altering clothes that I already have. I picked out about 3 pieces, but all of these are thrifted, I think. I already lost a bunch of weight, so I have a lot of clothes that don't fit me and I want to alter them to be just a little bit smaller, just because I feel like they're good clothes and I don't want to get rid of them. So I'm like, I might as well try and alter them to my body. But I'll give y'all a little tutorial of how y'all can do it if you want to alter clothes yourself. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Alright, as y'all can see, the pants were just a little bit too big. I could fit them when I was pregnant, but they're too big now. So I'm just starting off by seam ripping the belt loops from the back, just the 2 belt loops. And then I'm seam ripping the pockets off as well. And make sure you're being careful because I accidentally cut a hole in it. But now I'm taking off the waistband. I took off just a small section. I seam ripped only the amount that I wanted to take off. And then you just want to pin your dart. After the dart's pinned, you just want to make sure that the seams are lined up. Mine were a little off, so I had to redo it. And now you want to seam up some more of the top of the waistband, just so it can lay flat and you can be able to do the stitch across like so. Alright, here I'm just trying them on to make sure they fit before I go ahead and sew the dart together. Now you want to take the pockets apart and cut some of that seam allowance off and then take it to the iron. Once it's ironed, you can just pin it back in place. It's going to be a little bit off, but it's not that bad. This is what it looked like, and then you can just sew it down and then sew that waistband down as well. I was using just regular sewing thread, but I'd recommend using top stitch thread just because it's thicker and it holds better for jeans. This is the next piece. As you can see, it's just a little too big. I wanted to take some inches off the side, so I'm just cutting off how much I want to take off. Making sure I take the same amount off of each side. Yeah, using a rotary cutter changed my life because scissors just be taking too long. But now I'm just sewing the sides together. I ended up not taking enough off, so I went and cut some more and then sewn it back together. You're probably like, girl, those jeans fit you. And yes, they do, but they're just so heavy and the fabric is stretchy, so they don't stay up. But I'm going the easy route and I'm just adding 2 simple darts to each side of the back. And make sure you're tying off the end of the dart and not backstitching. I honestly really like this dress. I just wanted to take in the waist just a little bit. So I turned it inside out and then pinned how much I wanted to take off. And then I sewed it with a zigzag stitch. come to the end of this video, make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want a part 2, because I got lots of other clothes that I can try and alter, or I can also thrift some clothes and do some thrift flips. I'll see y'all in the next one.